morning, everybody. I'm up in South Dakota right now, and I'm excited to go explore some of the OHV trails I've heard a lot about. And here you can see the Lone Rider tent behind me. This used to be the 4-mile stagecoach stop outside of town, and this red barn behind me was the original stagecoach line. Today we're going to be going into town, getting an OHV permit, and then heading to one of the OHV parks.
We've got our OHV permit. It's about 25 bucks for a year, or at least till the end of the calendar year. We just hit Pleasant Valley Road. I'm gonna get out on some dirt with the Dunlop Trailmax Mission tires. I really haven't had a chance to fiddle around with those. So right now we are headed to an OHV area that'll be right off Pleasant Valley. We are in the OHV area, and you can see at this point it is like a gravel road. So far we're dealing with just kind of a gravel road, and that looks like a little bit more of a dirt road. Let's see how this is. Yeah, this is a little bit more enjoyable here. A little rocky here. Steep and loose. Oh, is it here's a lookout point. I need to switch sides here. A little Rudy, Tootie. Thanks, skid plate. Little rocky chicane. Oh, and there's a entry point right here. And back in we go. Trail to overlook, huh? All right, I'm gonna turn my bike around. I'm wiped at this point, so I'm gonna get it turned around off the trail, and then I'm gonna take a break for a minute. All right. I'm turning around, sorry. Yeah, I might need, I'm a little dug in, but I'm gonna try one more time. All right. Yeah, I might need a hand now. I haven't seen anybody all day, and the time I'm turning around, I'm gonna see something. I was kind of hopscotching it and taking some footage, and I got here, I'm like, you know, I'm hot. I'm gonna take a break, I'm gonna turn around and shoot down, and yeah, then it's, is it? Okay. Pretty gnarly. Okay, I'm gonna just try and go forward a little bit. I haven't seen anybody out here. The minute I get a little stuck right there, I get 10 UTVs, so these guys are gonna scoot on by. That's usually how it works, right? Have a good time. But I guess when you need help, that's when folks are here. Thank you very much. Have a good night. Thank you. Yeah, thank you very much. Next time, thank you very much. All right, one more. And then it's nappy time. Nap time. So many times I drop it on the way down. Have a good one. You too. Time to get this helmet off, cool down, and take a break. Now it's just time to get the gear on and shoot on down. Thank you everybody for riding along today. If you like adventure riding content, please consider hitting like and subscribe on the video. It actually helps the channel out quite a bit. And I'm doing some B-roll footage, so dropping the camera, picking it up, dropping the camera, picking it up. It's a pain in the ass for sure. It'd be fun to use the drone, but the drone decided to crash into a rock.